Natalie with WTI, and if you're looking for a modern way to organize your Nespresso coffee pods, you'll love this organizer from Flagship store. I absolutely love the way that mine looks on my counter. Everything looks so modern, and in the morning when I'm ready for my cup of coffee, I don't have to worry about the pods being in a drawer looking like a hot mess. Instead, everything is nice and organized, and that just makes me enjoy my coffee so much better. I love the way that Flagship store designed this organizer. On the top, you can see that there's glass, which allows you to see inside of the organizer to see which coffee pods you're going to be drinking for the day. Also, I love how easy it is to insert and to take out the pods. And not only are you gaining drawer space, but you're also gaining counter space. I love putting my Nespresso on top of the organizer. That way I have more space on my counter, and now you have more space in your drawer because you don't have pods all throughout your drawer. The pod organizer can hold up to 40 Nespresso pods, so many pods it can hold. If you're looking for a way to organize your Nespresso pods, definitely try out this organizer from Flagship store. That's my point of view.